wrapper.
You like the wrapper?
Yeah.
Well, that's all you got, so good. It's so pretty.
And it comes with stickers to decorate it. I'm gonna copy that.
Let me see, Bug.
Mommy, look. Yeah.
Chutes and ladders. Hey, you asked for that for Christmas, remember?
Yeah. What
Oh,
is
that's so
it?
funny.
What is it?
Purple for the Ravens.
I got purple for the Ravens.
No. Hey, sit down, Bug. Big Bug.
Oh, I like these little voodoo dogs.
They're cute, huh? Sit down, please.
Then, okay, little dollars. Bracelet. And a little stocking. Snackies. Oh.
Oh, goodness.
Ah, here's a battery cell.
Where did that battery come from?
Look, I don't know. It's just
Ooh, look at all that candy.
Look, there's another one too. A stocking. Yeah,
Hey.
that's mine.
Go see what's in yours, babe.
Look, I get a ring pop bottle with a bunch of. What is it? It's my own little puppy doll. Oh God. I hope I get that one. I always wish it for it. I was gonna make a wish about it. Yay! Oh, what kind did you get? I got a colorful one. Woo!
They're both pretty, huh?
I love this. Ooh, I'm gonna get this thing out. Can we see what it does?
Let's open up the rest of the box first, and then we'll open those up, okay?
Okay. I want to see what it does. Look, look here. Awesome.
Shmeva, sit down.
Sorry, this thing is just so big. Oh God. Oh gosh. Socks? New frozen socks?
Hey, go back up there. Go back up there.
Oh no, no, Sophia flippers. And then some Hello Kitty slippers. I got frozen socks. Oh, I'm gonna love
Hey, can you face me, Ava?
And colorful. And the coloring book. There's something in it. I got a Saki. What? What is this?
Alright, hurry up, my battery's running out.
What?
How are you going to send that? Where you get it?
Oh God. Oh God. I
Right now, you want that? They're over there. They can't see you dancing anyway. Is that a puzzle? Ava, stop stepping on.
Sorry.
Go sit, please.
Cinderella, my favorite princess.
Thank you.
Wait.
Ooh.
Come here. Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh. What is this? Ooh. Mommy.
Oh, more Pez.